Method 2. Oxidation number of potash is equals to plus 1. Oxidation number of oxygen is equals to minus 2. Total oxidation number of 4 atoms of oxygen is equals to minus 8. Since the algebraic sum of oxidation number of atoms in KMnO4 must be 0, we have 1 potassium having 1 negative valency plus manganese having 7 positive valence in bracket, and the oxygen having 8 negative valence. Hence, manganese is now equal to 7 positive valence. Example 2. Calculate the oxidation number of chlorine in heptaoxo dichromate 7. Solution. Charge of heptaoxo dichromate is equal to negative 2 minus 2. Oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2. Sum of oxidation number of the 7 atoms of oxygen is plus 14. Let the oxidation number of chlorine is equals to S. 2S plus minus 14 is equals to minus 2. The charge on the molecule. 2S is equals to plus 12. Therefore, making S the subject of the formula, S is equals to plus 6, not 16. Therefore, oxidation number of chlorine CO7 minus 2 valency is equals to plus 6. Chapter 14. Acid-base reaction. Acid-base reaction. Acid-base reaction is based on molarity and molar solution. Molarity, this is the concentration in mole of solute per dm cube. In general, the molarity of any substance is expressed as follows: molarity equal to concentration in grams per dm cube all over molar mass. Standard solution. A standard solution is one in which the concentration is known. For example, 1.70 gram of silver triazonoate 5 in 1 dm of a solution. Molar solution. A molar solution is one which contains 1 mole or the molar mass of compound in 1 dm cube of that solution. For example, since the molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 40 grams, it means that 1 molar solution of sodium hydroxide contains 40 grams of sodium hydroxide in 1 dm cube. Example 1. Calculate the molarity of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid containing 49 per dm cube of the acid. Solution. Formula of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid H is H2SO4. Molar mass: hydrogen is 2 plus sulfur, which is 32, plus oxygen, which is 16 times 4, which is 64 gram, which is giving us a total of 98 gram. Concentration of acid per dm cube is equals to 49 gram given from the question, but molarity is equals to concentration in gram per dm cube over molar mass. Molarity of the tetraoxosulfate 6 acid is now equal to 49 over 98 molarity, which will give us 0.50 gram molarity. Example 2. Calculate the molarity of 5.62 gram of copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 CuSO4 5H2O in the dm cube of the solution. Solution. Formula of copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 is equal to CuSO4 5H2O. Molar mass. Copper is 63.4 plus sulfur is 32 plus oxygen, which is 16 times 4 plus 5 times hydrogen is 1, but having 2 atoms, that is 2 plus 16 molar mass of oxygen gram, which is, after the summation, we have that 249.5 molar mass of copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6. Concentration of copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 per dm cube is 5.62 gram, but molarity is equal to concentration in grams per dm cube over formula mass. Therefore, the molarity of copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 is equal to 5.62 over 249.5. Therefore, molarity is equal to 0.023 molarity. Example 3. Calculate the molarity of tetraoxonitrate 5 acid containing 6.0 gram of acid in 250 cm cube. Solution. Mass of triazoonitrate 5 acid in 250 cm cube is equal to 6.0 gram. Therefore, mass of triazoonitrate 5 acid in 1 dm is now equal to. Solution. Mass of triazoonitrate 5 acid in 250 cm cube is equal to 6.0 gram. Therefore, mass of triazoonitrate 5 acid in 1 dm cube or 1000 cm cube is now equal to 1000 over 250 times 6 gram, which gives us 24 grams. Molar mass of triazoonitrate 5 acid is now equal to 1 plus 14 plus 48 gram, which will give us 63 gram. Therefore, molarity of acid is equal to concentration over molar mass, which is equal to 24 over 63 molarity, which will now give us 0.381 molarity. Example 4. Calculate the mass of silver triazoonitrate 5 in 500 cm cube of 0.01 molarity of silver triazoonitrate 5 in grams. Solution. For 1000 cm cube of silver triazoonitrate 5 solution containing 0.01 mole of silver triazoonitrate 5, therefore 500 dm cube of silver triazoonitrate 5 solution contains 500 over 1000 times 0.05 mole, which gives us 0.005 moles. Then the molar mass of silver triazoonitrate 6, we have silver as 108 plus nitrogen at 14 plus 48 for oxygen gram, totaling 170 gram of silver triazoonitrate. Therefore, 0.005 moles of silver triazoonitrate solution contains 108 plus 14 plus 48, which is giving us 107 gram of silver triazoonitrate. Therefore, 0.05 mole of silver triazoonitrate solution contains 0.005 times 170 over 1 gram of silver triazoonitrate, which is giving us 0.850 grams.